So we have a Witter, I think it is, removable tow bar attached to our Ford Transit Custom. So I'm just going to attach our bike rack onto it, which is a Towbar bike rack made by Buzz Rack, and I will show you how it fits. Okay, so excuse the sliders. It basically fits on like that, nice and straight. Screw that down. Nice and tight as the hand can do it. Pull this back and use it, sorry, the other way around. So it's on and then like that, pull it back. And then keep going round. And then that is as tight as you can do it on that. And then leave it up. And then that is how it's attached. I will show you now. So here on this Buzz Rack, oh, wrong way, you undo it and the pin pulls out and you lift that up like that so it lines up. Well, this is quite difficult to do. Lines up with the pin. There you go, I've got it back in. So there's another pin here, just needed two hands just to get this lined up. And screw that in. And that one is as well as tight as you can do. And then we've just got it set up for two at the moment. But that basically is the Towbar Buzz Rack 3 bike rack.